Alright guys, check it out. I got a new headliner for my car. I don't know if you can tell, but it's all carbon fiber. Gonna be replacing it today on the GSX. Right now I'm just seeing what screws I have to remove from the headliner, and I'll show you right now. Alright, so right now I'm in the back of the car, and there's this one. They're Phillips head screws. One on this side, and then there's also one on this side. Same thing. Just take this off. All right, so here in the back, I just pulled this away. All right, there's a tab right here that you're gonna have to take off with like a flathead. Same thing on this side. I just pulled it down. Oops, sorry. Another tab there. Then the back should be good. I also took off the weather stripping from the top and the side right here, and those pillars. So now we're gonna move to the front, take off all the screws up there, and I'll show you. Alright, so up here we have one screw there, two screws on this side. I don't know how many are in here. I think maybe one. And then we got two screws there, another screw there, and two screws up here. Alright, so there is two screws in here. Then they should pop off. I got the handle thing off. There's just two screws. I got the visors off. You just take the screws off and then unclip the connection if yours has lights. And then after that, we just have to take off the four clips and the headliner should pop up. All right guys, so it's in, as you can see, all the way around. Not gonna lie, some of the fitment on the stuff isn't good. Like the sun visors didn't fit because the holes didn't line up. The clips, the four clips that go in, didn't go in except for that one in that corner. The back clips didn't go in because the holes didn't line up. This like rubber piece that goes around is kind of loose. I'll probably just put some double-sided tape or something on that, but honestly it looks pretty good. Like, I like it. It matches the carbon in the car there, here, and also this like handle thing that goes up there, it didn't fit as well, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Honestly, I didn't want to run the sun visors because I want to see the carbon. So yeah, there it is. I never knew on a Eclipse that this whole thing goes back with the sunroof. Like, I would always manually just push this back. So watch. That's crazy. I never knew that until like recently. So today we're gonna be installing this carbon fiber. I think it's the center console. Got it on OfferUp. It did have a crack right here. I just put some epoxy on it. It is new. So we're gonna go ahead and install this right now. So we're in the car, and right here in the back there's gonna be one screw on each side. So one on this side, one on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. All right, we got those two off. Now we can take this middle piece off. I believe it just pops up like that. And I think this whole thing should come off. I've never taken it off, so let me see. There's that side. All right, there we go. It's off. All right, so this is how it should look like when you pop it off. It's just held in by these two tabs. and then the two on the bottom. It just pops up. You can just grab it and like pop it off. And then I think there should have been 2 screws here, but there's nothing there. And then you just untwist the shift knob. Off. And then I forgot there's also like a little light right here that just twists off. There we go. That's a little light. And then be careful because there's wires connected to this as well that you have to take off. So let's try and take it off. Alright guys, it's finally in. This is how it looks. This also works. Got my stuff in there. There it is. The headliner also. Carbon X airbag. Carbon bezel. Looks pretty good.